Welcome back to my channel. 2024 Nissan Frontier Hardbody. The Hardbody package is only available on the SV Crew Cab 4x4 trim, which starts at $38,205. Adding the $3,890 package pushes the price to $42,095. The production version of the truck is shown here with red paint like the AUG version. It also has cool 17-inch wheels that mimic the originals. The hardcore BF Goodrich All-Terrain T, KO2 tires from the teaser are gone and have been replaced by a less aggressive set of Hankook Dynapro 8T2 all-terrain tires. Apart from the tire swap, almost all of the visual alterations for the Throwback Edition make their way to the production model. Black over fenders, a front skid plate, and some special decals round out the visual changes. A sport bar is mounted behind the cab, but it lacks the lights seen on the concept. For 2024, Nissan also adds a new SL trim for crew cab models. It's a more comfort-focused trim that adds LED lighting, leather-appointed seating, and a 10-speaker Fender audio system. Pricing for the SL starts at $40,975, while the base S trim starts at a much lower $31,105. Thanks for watching.